Running errands all over the US, burning through that rather finite supply of grace, or in a desperate effort to save your boyfriend.
What about you, Crowley? Dropping everything, bringing the first blade? Surely it cost you something to be here. Maybe he's your boyfriend.
Let's go take a howl at that moon.
D. D.
That's what I get for trying to be the good guy. Open your eyes, D. See what I see. Feel what I feel.
I tried my hardest and my best,
Poughkeepsie.
but I never passed your stupid test. You only lied and
I ain't your freaking bestie, and I ain't taking orders from you.
and I cried.
Fine.
At the knife
It's over.
inside my chest.
I deserve to be loved!
What did I ever do to you to deserve nothing from you?
Bastard.
You liked playing your games, that much is true. But all I ever did
What is this?
was
An intervention?
you saw
You don't know what it's like to be human.
was loose.
So, the Hardy Boys finally found me.
Time I hope you'll think before you.
Bye, boys. Guess I've been Winchestered. Not my type.